Ayan, so dito sa last part, sabi ko, I'm wondering if my account can be reviewed to finally complete the verification process so that I can improve the reach of my post on the Buzzer app, Buzzer Coin, okay, or Buzzer, okay? To set your expectation, isa tong bagong cryptocurrency project na intertwined or related sa sports niche, okay? Hi everyone, Buzzer Sports Community App update tayo today. Ito yung date and time ng recording natin. Follow-up video to regarding our previous video. Yung title nito, How to Get Verified Badge on Buzzer App, Sports, Community, and Cryptocurrency App, okay? So, gusto lang nating i-address yung isang comment dito ng ating viewer and subscriber. Shout out, maraming salamat kay at Algen788. Sabi niya dito, mag 1 month na ako, wala pang verified. So, meron tayong na-prepare na isang pre-recorded video. Ang ginawa natin dito sa pre-recorded video natin, nag-reach out tayo sa Buzzer team, yung support team nila para i-follow up yung status nung Buzzer app natin. Okay, makikita nyo sa account natin, itong pwede nyo rin ako i-follow guys. Bayanihan Sports, okay? Ito yung Buzzer account natin. And makikita nyo sa taas, your verification status is pending. Okay? So kagaya nung nag-comment natin na si Algen, hindi pa rin ako verified, okay? So sa kanya 1 month na, halos parehas lang rin kami. Still waiting pa rin ako na ma-verify dito. Okay, so pagka-click natin ng 3 dots doon sa top right kanina, ganito yung view kapag pending for verification yung buzzer natin. And manonotice nyo dito yung date and time kung kailan ko to na-record, November 12, okay? Yung voiceover kasi natin na November 24 na ngayon. So, 12 days na yung nakalipas, wala pa akong nare-receive na update kung kailan ma-verify yung ano natin, Buzzer app. So, naghihintay pa rin ako. Ayan. So, manonotice nyo dito, nag-screenshot tayo nung ating current status sa Buzzer app kasi later on kakailanganin natin yan. So, ang gagawin natin dito, pupunta tayo sa settings. And then, makikita natin dito, may option to click on report a problem. So, i-click natin yung report a problem. Okay, and then, makikita natin dito, go back where you saw the problem and shake your phone. And then, may option tayo to click on go back and shake your phone, okay? Reports about abuse or spam shouldn't be submitted here. Okay, so yung mga technical issues lang talaga. So, ni-raise pa rin natin siya para naman may ginawa tayo. Ayan, so for this one, would you like to include complete logos and diagnosis or diagnostics? So, include and continue yung select natin dito. And then, bigyan nyo lang ng description of the problem or issue itong support description box dito sa report a problem sa Buzzer app. So, in-explain ko lang na nagpa-follow up ako nung status ng ating account kasi ang tagal-tagal na, hindi pa siya verified. Ayan, so dito sa last part, sabi ko, I'm wondering if my account can be reviewed to finally complete the verification process so that I can improve the reach of my post on the Buzzer app. So kapag nakompleto nyo na yung description ng issue regarding sa verification status ng Buzzer app, and then attach nyo na yung screenshot or na-upload nyo na yung screenshot, pwede nyo na yan i-submit. So sa baba makikita natin sending report, bug report, submitted successfully. Ayan. Okay, so yung gagawin ko na ngayon, i-open ko na yung ating Buzzer app for an update. So daily guys, remember lang na i-claim ninyo yung parang daily login or check-in. Ayan, nakikita nyo dyan sa taas, claim in progress. So 1 minute or 60 seconds lang naman yan. So makikita nyo dito, your verification status still pending pa rin tayo guys, okay? So, naghihintay pa rin ako ng update kung kailan ako ma-verify. Pero sa totoo lang guys, kagaya nyo, naiinip na rin ako. Sana, sana naman ma-verify na rin tayo. Ayan. So, konting segundo na lang para ma-complete natin yung daily check-in natin dito. Okay, so makikita natin from 157 points naging 158. Ayan. So, to recap lang guys, nasa phase 2 tayo ngayon ng up points. And then, ang sinasabi dito, yung phase 3 na up crypto wallet, February 1 pa siya, and then may pre-sale next year, March 1, 2026. Buzzer update lang tayo. Nakikita nyo dito sa pre-recorded video natin nung nag-open tayo ng Buzzer Sports app, merong prompt, update required. A new version is available. Please update to continue using the latest features and improvements. Ayan. So, ito yung date and time ng recording. So, sabi dito, new version of Buzzer is ready. So, syempre, click lang yung update now. Mari-redirect sa Google Play Store. Click yung update. Hintayin matapos. Pagkatapos, ma-install yung update. Open natin yung app. Ayan. So, all goods naman. Although makikita nyo dito guys, more than a month na akong naghihintay. Wala pa rin, hindi pa fully verified yung Buzzer Sports app natin. So balitaan ko kayo guys kung magiging updated na rin or verified yung ating Bayanihan Sports Buzzer app, okay? Okay, so kung interested rin kayo na mag-install ng Buzzer Sports app, ito yung invitation code, ilalagay ko na rin sa description ng ating video. And pwede nyo rin ako i-add Bayanihan Sports, okay, sa Buzzer app. Sisiguraduhin ko na kung meron akong progress na makikita or ma-verify yung Buzzer app account natin, gagawa tayo ng update video about that, okay? Now, disclaimer statement for our crypto Bayanihan Web3 wallets. The content provided in this video is strictly for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial investment, legal, or professional advice. We do not promote or solicit the purchase or sale of any cryptocurrencies, tokens, exchanges, or financial instruments. All the information shared on our YouTube channel is published in good faith and are intended to help viewers understand blockchain and Web3 technologies.